Hey there, fitness trailblazers and marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fitness Marketing 101. I'm Andrew, and in today's episode, we're tackling a challenge that every personal trainer faces: building your brand and standing out in a saturated market. In a world where fitness advice is everywhere, it's omnipresent, how do you become the go-to trainer in your area? The answer lies in building a brand that's as unique as you are. Step 1, define your niche. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific niche that aligns with your passion as well as your expertise. So whether that's post-pregnancy fitness, senior wellness, or high-performance training, being the go-to expert in a niche really sets you apart. Step 2, create a consistent look and feel. Your brand should be visually cohesive across all touch points, be it your logo, your website, to your social media posts. Consistency breeds recognition, making you instantly recognizable in a sea of options. Step 3, share your story. Your journey is your brand's foundation. So be sure to open up about why you became a personal trainer. Make sure you mention your struggles as well as your triumphs. Sharing your authentic story forms a strong emotional connection with your audience. So here's an example of storytelling in action. Let me take you back a few years. I was in my late 40s, juggling a demanding job, family responsibilities, and, well, life in general. Sound familiar? I knew I needed to take care of myself, but finding the time and motivation for workouts just felt like an uphill battle. Can you relate to that struggle? That's when I made a decision. I decided that my health was worth it, that I was worth it, and that's when the journey began. Now don't get me wrong, it wasn't easy. There were days when I wanted to throw in the towel, but I kept going, and you know what? It paid off. Fast forward to today, and I'm not just a personal trainer, I'm someone who's walked in your shoes, who understands the demands of a busy life, and who knows that change is possible. Now, I'm here to guide you on your journey to help you achieve the health and vitality that you deserve, no matter how busy life gets. Because I believe that everyone has a story of transformation within them, and I'm here to help you write yours. Okay, that's the narrative done. So feel free to use this as a template to help you develop your own storytelling framework. I'll include the text in the links below. Step 4, showcase your values. What do you stand for as a trainer? Whether it's promoting body positivity, inclusivity, or sustainability, your values define your brand's personality and attract clients who resonate with those ideals. Step 5, offer unique value. What extra value can you provide to your clients? This could be specialized workshops, ebooks, or even exclusive workout plans. Going the extra mile shows your commitment and sets you apart from the perceived competition. Remember, building a brand isn't about being flashy. It's far from it. It's about being authentic, relatable, and valuable. When your brand resonates, clients aren't just buying your service, they're buying into your story as well as your mission. So whether you're just starting your journey or you're revamping your brand, these steps I hope will guide you toward a brand that not only stands out, but also stands for something. Thanks for joining me on this first episode of Fitness Marketing 101. In our next video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of social media marketing and how you can use that to amplify your message out to a greater audience. So I look forward to seeing you then. Take care for now.